Okay, so hey everyone, Greg here from affiliatemarketingbiz.com and many other sites. I assume you came here from my music channel on YouTube. I have mostly music backing tracks and tutorials and all kinds of stuff like that. But today I want to talk about something completely different here for musicians. It's a great opportunity to make a great income because you can do this from anywhere on your laptop when you're on the road, when you're touring, when you're just chilling out in between rehearsals, whatever. And this is a great way to work for yourself doing something. It's not music business related, but you can be. You can make it whatever you want, really. So basically here, I'm a member of this site called Wealthy Affiliate. This is my profile. I'm going to give you the opportunity to sign up for free here, and 100% free, no credit card needed, none of that nonsense, no trial thing. And you get two free websites and free training, the level 1 certification training. And so basically, when you sign up, use the link in the video below here, and then you'll see me. I'll connect with you. I can talk. You can contact me. I'll contact you. Whatever. Just make your profile real quick. Add your photo. Put a little bio here. You don't have to fill it out completely. Just put something briefly, and then you can fill it out more later. But so this, and by the way, I'm on a different YouTube channel here, so subscribe to my channel here as well. This is my affiliate biz marketing site. So anyways. So I want to talk today about affiliate marketing, and basically, this is a great way to make money online. Basically, you build a website, and like I said, you get two free ones, and you have a site manager here. We can do that. Or if you already have a website, running or blog or whatever, you sign up for affiliate programs from different companies. These are just a few here: Amazon, eBay, Target, blah blah blah. There's thousands of them. There's even Musician's Friend, Zounds, music things related. And then you make money when you drive customers to your website. They buy the products, and then you make money off those sites. If you watch a lot of my videos here, sometimes I do like reviews of guitar pedals and stuff or whatever, and I take you to my website where there's an affiliate link to Amazon or some other site. But so that's one way I do it. There's other ways. There's thousands of affiliate programs out there, but it's just a quick circle of how it works. Now, what I want to talk today about is getting you started is use the link here, and you'll go right to Wealthy Affiliate, and this is the site Wealthy Affiliate, and then you have this Getting Started Level 1 course, and this is 100% free. Like I said, no credit card. You just sign up, put your email address in, make a password, whatever, and there you go. So this is all the stuff included here in lessons 1. There's 10 lessons. You just get started with this, and there's a lot of information here. Let's go choose a niche, for example. I'm not going to go through all this. I'm going to keep this pretty quick, but I want to show you just a little bit of the demo here. So this is Cal, by the way, over here. He's the co-founder of Wealthy Affiliate. 2005 they started. So this is basically some of the lessons here. There's videos. There's text, and there's reading, and then you just check off when you're done, and you go to the next level, next lesson. So it's pretty basic information, not basic information. It's pretty simple, but yet you got to put the time in. It's not like a get rich scheme or anything. You got to put the time in to really learn the process and how to drive people to your website and get the clicks that you need to make money off your affiliate programs. And some other cool things about this is it's once, if you do become a paying member, platinum member, or premium member as they call them, everything is included here. The only other thing that you would want to buy would be a domain name, if you don't have one already. But as far as there's so much stuff here, there's commenting systems, there's feedback for your websites you can get, and it's all for members within Wealthy Affiliates. Like, for example, these are all people. These are the top 10 of the moment. Different posts people put up here. But there's thousands and thousands. I think there's 800,000 members in here. There's new people joining all the time. And it's kind of a social network as well. And you get help from all these people as well as the co-founders and myself. I will contact you right away. But what I wanted to say was that it's just so much information and so much help and so much of a community here, and other stuff that is included with your web hosting package would be like your free security, the SSL, privacy, spam blockers, and they have a lot of stuff on the back end of the website here, where it's that normally you would need plugins for with WordPress and stuff to get working. But anyways, I don't want to go too much into that. Just the best thing to do would be sign up, create your profile, add a picture, add a bio, and then just go right to getting started here and start viewing the courses and stuff, and then get going from there. And then I will contact you inside. All right, so cool. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel here if you're interested. I always post interesting things. So pretty cool. I will talk to you soon.